In our previous video, we learnt the origin of our universe and how it started with a huge collision called the Big Bang. In today's video, we are going to dig deep again in time and try to know the origin of life on our planet. The origin of life on Earth stands as one of the great mysteries of science. Various answers have been proposed, all of which remain unverified. To find out if we are alone in the galaxy, we will need to better understand what geochemical conditions nurtured the first life forms. What water, chemistry, and temperature cycles fostered the chemical reactions that allowed life to emerge on our planet? Because life arose in the largely unknown surface conditions of Earth's early history, answering these and other questions remains a challenge. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. Scientists think that by 4.3 billion years ago, Earth may have developed conditions suitable to support life. The oldest known fossils, however, are only 3.7 billion years old. During that 600 million year window, life may have emerged repeatedly, only to be snuffed out by catastrophic collisions with asteroids and comets. The details of those early events are not well preserved in Earth's oldest rocks. There are several theories for how life came to be on Earth. First theory, life emerged from a primordial soup. As a University of Chicago graduate student in 1952, Stanley Miller performed a famous experiment with Harold Urey, a Nobel laureate in chemistry. Their results explored the idea that life formed in a primordial soup. Miller and Urey injected ammonia, methane, and water vapor into an enclosed glass container to simulate what were then believed to be the conditions of Earth's early atmosphere. Then they passed electrical sparks through the container to simulate lightning. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, soon formed. Second theory, seeded by comets or meteors. Some scientists think that some of the molecules important to life may be produced outside the Earth. Instead, they suggest that these ingredients came from meteorites or comets. A colleague once told me, "It's a lot easier to build a house out of Legos when they're falling from the sky," said Fred Schiessler, a geophysical sciences professor at UChicago. Schiessler and that colleague, Scott Sandford of the NASA Ames Research Center, published research showing that complex organic compounds were readily produced under conditions that likely prevailed in the early solar system when many meteorites formed. Meteorites then might have served as the cosmic mayflowers that transported molecular seeds to Earth. In 1969, the Murchison meteorite that fell in Australia contained dozens of different amino acids, the building blocks of life. In 2019, a team of researchers in France and Italy reported finding extraterrestrial organic material preserved in the 3.3 billion-year-old sediments of Barberton, South Africa. The team suggested micrometeorites as the material's likely source. As we journey through the annals of time, tracing the intricate steps that led to the dawn of life on Earth, we find ourselves humbled by the vastness of the cosmos and the complexity of existence. From the primordial soup to the flourishing diversity of life forms, every moment in this grand narrative speaks to the resilience and adaptability of life itself. As we look to the stars with wonder and curiosity, may we also look within ourselves, recognizing the profound interconnectedness of all living things. For in understanding our origins, we glimpse the boundless potential of our collective journey and the possibilities that lie ahead. And so, as we bid farewell to the story of our origins, let us carry forth the flame of knowledge and wonder to explore, discover, and unravel the mysteries of life on Earth and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Feel free to leave any comments or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, you are with the origins of life on Earth. Well, I guess.